Oh, there is maybe fire. It's burning something. Okay. Okay. Come here. Just we go and watch what is happening there. Where is this? Oh my God. Nine. What is burning here? What is burning here?
It's the root of bamboo.
Root of bamboo. Oh, someone just make the fire here. Make the fire and
It was
it's
very big.
burning. It's burning and it's smoking here. The smoke is producing from here. Okay. Oh, maybe there was a very wastage here. There are very wastage here, so that the people make fire to burn the wastage. Okay, so no problem. Just we can see. Okay, so how can you see? Can you say something about this?
Yes, sir.
What is happening here? It's burning. The root is burning. The wastage or the dirty, the wastage garbage. The garbage is burning. Okay, something like that. Whatever is happening surrounding us. Okay, so right now, the sun is about to set out. Okay, is going down and it's almost evening, so we have to go to our house, right?
Yeah.
So can you understand what I'm going to make you understand?
Yeah.
You have to speak English, right?